My name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you total two websites where we can create a very high quality social bookmarking Dofollow backlink. So the first website name is checkbookmarks.com. So this is our website URL and this is the dashboard. So if you guys can submit your social bookmarking, so how it should be going to look like. So this is the website. So according to Moj, the domain authority is 28 and the spam score is only 9%, so it's considerable. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 7.9k monthly traffic and the mostly traffic from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So now we can start. First thing, you can click on the add website button and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and after that there you can add your username, your email address, this is the email address, and there you can add your website URL. So let me add my first website, hire faster and better with AI. This is the URL tagline is virtual interviewing software, so let me use this, and the title should be hire faster and better with AI, and after that you can select your category. So my category is recruitment and software, so let me select technology, and there we can add image. So let me take it my home page screen. I think this should be perfect, and I can upload this image on this section, and after that there you can add your company description. So I have already generated, so this is my company description, and let me put it over there, and you can adjust your content. Should be look like a genuine, so virtual interviewing platform. So if you're wanting to insert a hyperlink any specific targeted keyword, so you can select your keyword and you can insert your website URL, and the max allowed file size is 1 MB. So what I can do, I can use a logo, and after that you can select a free or basic option, and after that you can click on the preview button. So there are something, yeah, you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and after that you can click on the preview. So you can see our backlink is added, and now after that you can click on the publish listing button. So you can see website is added. Thank you for the submitting your ad. Your ad should be published. You can review, hire faster and better with, yeah. So you can see this is your listing landing page URL, and with the following the same method you can create a multiple backlink on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Next website is social media and uk.com. So this is a very hard word to pronounce. So this is a website URL, and this is the dashboard. So now we can start. So before that, according to Moj, the domain authority is 61 and the spam score is only 2%. So first thing, and according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 16.5k monthly traffic, and the mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and another country. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. So simply you can click on the register button top of the menu section, and there you can add your company username, your email address, then you guys will choose your password. So my password is okay jobma, and after that you can verify your captcha, and you can click on the create user button. So username already exists, so what I can do, you can use something different. I guess I have already created account on this. Valid captcha. So our account is created on this site. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL. And I can let you one thing guys for this website. If you guys have created a fresh account on this site, so it is okay. So you can create your social bookmarking, you can submit your social bookmarking backlink. But while the profile optimization, you can wait a couple of days. Once your profile got matured, then you guys will update your profile details like your public email address, your home page, your real name, your occupation location, and your social details. So you guys can submit these things once your account got matured. Okay, so once you guys will complete these things, so after that you can click on the submit button, and there is an option to can add your website URL. So suppose that I wanting to do for this, and you can click on the continue button, and there you can add your bookmarking title. So title is this top interview management system, tag is interview management system, and there you can add your description. So description is this, I have already generated, and you can paste it over there. And after that you can click on, you can verify your captcha. Raise and sign. So you can see this is your social bookmarking landing page URL, and you can see this is your backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And for the first website, for this website, this is a no follow backlink, no doubt. And so this is our process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details for the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.